Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Twitter account. So when you open your Twitter app, you just go to the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on the settings and support at the bottom. Tap on the drop down menu right over here and you can see the settings and privacy. So you just tap the settings and privacy. Now you just tap on this your account right over here. And then right here, you can see the option, which is the deactivate account. So you just tap this one. And finally, you can see right here, deactivate your account. What else you should know? You can see you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days, it will permanently delete your account. So to confirm your deactivate account, confirm your password right here. Tap on deactivate and tap on yes, deactivate your account for 30 days. So that's how you basically delete your Twitter account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.